How's it going today, YouTube? Well, we ended up getting the other frame that came with the Impala, and here it is. And as you can see, it's not in the greatest of shape, but I think that it can be fixed. I mean, this is the worst part of it. I mean, that's pretty bad, but I think that can be cut out and replaced. You know, if we take a lot of time and give this frame a lot of attention, make sure it's strong and welded up, then possibly it'd be a good one to put underneath the Impala. So if not, we're still going to be on the lookout for other frames, and we actually located a whole nother car, but we don't know if we're going to end up buying that or not. But if we do, you guys will know about it. That's only just a thought, you know, about that other car. So it's actually pretty high priced. So needs attention back here. This piece here needs bent back down or just cut out and replaced with a piece of angle iron or C-channel, one of the two. But again, it's only metal, guys. I mean, you can cut stuff out and re-weld it in and bend it back, heat it up. I mean, it's bent there a little bit, but from there back, it's pretty straight. I mean, there's a little thin spot under there. I saw it yesterday, but really just over here is the worst spot, and it's understandable that it would be, because that's the driver's side. So, you know, think about it, this side over here, the driver's side, sees the most road salt because it's in the center of the road. But I think with what's left of the Impala frame that's underneath of it right now, and this one, we could take pieces out and cut in and make one good solid frame again. I don't see why not. But we shall see. Now, not going to be much of a video this week, because as you can see, we got hammered with snow again. A lot different than last week's video out in the mud. Alright, it is yet another day in this mud mess. Hello! It was a dramatic pause because I was thinking of what to say next. Yeah, I didn't even know you were right there. Yeah. I got a spy over there. Willie just couldn't take it. He had to come over and see what I was up to. Now, yeah, we just figured that since we took Ryan's Tundra into the junkyard yesterday, here's a clip of that if you want to see that. If not, then I guess skip past it, but here's a clip of that.
Yeah, that one's dead.
Oh, yeah, that's dead, all right. Oh my God.
I got a chest implant.
I got that on camera. Yes.
It's a shame that didn't kill me.
figured since we took that in on the way back, we snagged this frame up because we had the trailer with the winch on it. So that's what we did. Now, take it in front of the frame.
We had to call in some reinforcements to get this. This is the frame for the Impala right here, the spare one. Your chain is only as strong as your strongest long chain.
I want you guys to all work as a team and be like a strong, long chain. Do you understand?
No. No.
Okay, well, I'm just one of the links in the chain, but a link is only as long as your longest strong chain. Take...
No weight back here.
Alright, whoa. Right there. Right down. Now let me release it. Undo this. I don't think that's needed anymore. That's it's on there now. Let's so I can't go back. Okay, hold on. You gotta shove the front end over. Okay. It is. That's actually helping us. It's on enough.
You can strap it right on this section.
On the front and right there.
Yep.
Just 2 straps. How to do it. I know what you're thinking. It needs a lot of work, and it does. But, again, like I said, it's only metal. We can fix it. If not, we can find another one. But on the other frame that's under the Impala right now, just all under here is just eaten away, gone. And that over there is the only spot that I saw that is like that. Unfortunately, it's right where the transmission cross member is, but oh well. Hey, got a free pair of vice grips right there. That's pretty cool. Hey, don't jump on that. You're gonna get hurt. You can't go for a ride in that. Let's go look. Let's go look at the tow truck cab. In case if anyone is wondering, this is all that's left of the tow truck. Now, like I said before, it was pretty bad. Pretty rusted. There was no saving this cab. So, I've taken all the parts I could use off of it. There's still some on there that I could use and that I'll keep. But in good time, I just haven't had time to take the rest of the parts off of it. But that is all that's left of the tow truck, right there. Well, we picked up this old Yamaha motorcycle right here. If I haven't talked about this before in any of the other videos. Who wants to see us make a redneck Can-Am Spyder Roadster out of this? Take the front end off and take a front end from like a lawnmower and put on it. Be pretty cool. No, this motorcycle ain't worth doing anything else with. I mean, the starter clutch and everything's going bad. I mean, if anybody's interested in it and doesn't want us to tear it apart for stupid things like that, then go ahead and email me. Make you a hell of a deal on it. I mean, we don't have that much into it. So if anybody's interested in this old Yamaha motorcycle, go ahead and email me. No title. No title at all. So it'll be pretty cheap. Alright. Alright. This is the Woods Buggy build project. That it's actually like project spare parts, aka Mad Max type build. If anybody wants to see the continued progress of this, you know, whenever we can, this is definitely like, if there's nothing else to do project, we will do it. It has a 258 inline 6 from a Jeep Cherokee Wagoneer. There's the hood off of it right there. You can't really tell because it's covered in snow, but it is on a square body Chevy frame welded to a Toyota Tacoma frame. So it's got Toyota Tacoma axles under it. So, and of course that's a square body Chevy truck cab that's in very bad shape. But you know, it's just a random project that you can throw random parts at and maybe come up with something that runs. You know, just for around here. But if you want to see more on that, let me know. Alright guys, I wish I could have done more this weekend, but yeah, with the snow and whatnot, I mean, I planned on taking the engine out of the Impala. Yeah, not pulling the motor out in this weather here, guys. So, possibly starting to unbolt the body, but again, I don't want to do that out in the snow. And right now, the Camaro has the carport for shelter from the winter, and it's not coming out until the snow is gone.
We had winter weather advisory yesterday. We probably shouldn't even have been out getting this thing because it was like
what? Hey,
45-mile-an-hour wind gusts, snow, crazy, yeah.
Like I said, we had the trailer with the winch, so we thought, why not go grab it? And it proved to be quite easy to do. So
we're trying to put out as much as we can this weekend. Louie's probably going to work through next weekend, so we can't guarantee any footage next week.
Yep. If it happens, it happens, but we can't guarantee it, guys. It's unfortunate, but it's just the way she goes. Yep. So,
We're you know, about to announce, and we'll, you know, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, and you know, here's the frame. This is what we did yesterday. We had Ryan's help. We had to call in reinforcements.
Yeah.
And
well,
Ryan had his Tundra.
Yeah, I talked about that a minute ago, and I'll add in the clip for that. You guys can see the Tundra getting picked up by the claw.
Yep.
So
that's what we did yesterday, and we probably shouldn't even have been out on the road with that big trailer and the roads and the weather that we had yesterday. But we're doing it for you guys. We appreciate you.
Yes, we do. All right. Till next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Franklin Stein's Garage.